Samsung S22 Ultra yìí ó ní screen problem according to the owner. Ó ní kó tán, ó dẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́, òun ti fi sílé for a while. So first thing ta ní láti ṣe nípa ní láti kọ́kọ́ test ẹ̀ ká confirm claim owner, because àwọn Samsung phone yìí máa ń funny to the extent that tẹ́ bá ti fi wọ́n sílé for too long tẹ́tùn wá charge especially ó lè máa tán mọ́ kó develop panel problem. We have scenarios like that to confirm. So now as a confirm pé screen eléyìí ó wà okay, then device yẹn ṣì ń receive footage. So I need láti proceed. Àwọn S23 Ultra, S22 Ultra they are very fragile device. So that's why I always recommend original screen for replacement so that quality may retain at a value. But there are some things that are very important. And one of the most difficult part of it is removing the back glass. You can use different methods to remove the back glass. If you know, you know. I've been saying that in many of my videos, so I don't think I should be telling you the methods here. But now I'm using one of those methods to remove it. You see that chemical that I'm using, are very important, láti lò. But you must know how to handle it. Kò gbọdọ̀ pọ̀jù, kò gbọdọ̀ kéré jù, ó lè ba screen jẹ́. As long as screen yẹn wà okay, afẹ́ your battery tó bá fi chemical yẹn sí jù ó máa bàjẹ́. Now, the other tempered glass tempered paper tí mo mú dání yẹn, ó ní iye length tó fi gbọdọ̀ wọlé, kò gbọdọ̀ wọlé jù. Now, tó bá wọlé yẹn, because àwọn flex tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n pọ̀ gan. By the time tí n bá ṣe tán, ẹ máa rí number of flex tó wà níbẹ̀ gbẹ̀yìn. Now, ẹ máa apply pressure láti ọwọ́. You cannot measure the pressure. That's why you don't have to use force when you are removing back glass for this kind of Samsung. Because if you use any force pẹ̀lú temper paper, it's going to damage something. But if the pressure is very light, even if at all, tó bá come across flex during the process, so far to get me a less pressure they apply. Pressure yẹn ò lè gé flex instantly, but tó bá jẹ́ force lè lò, ó máa gain instantly. Shey you get? So now, gradually, step by step, we continue to do it. Although wọ́n ti ṣí back glass yẹn rí, but wọ́n lẹ̀ gan, wọ́n lẹ̀ all around, so ó jẹ́ kó lè díẹ̀. But I later yọ with the help of the liquid, and then we apply some heat as well. So ìgbà tí a yọ tán lélẹ̀, a ní láti proceed láti lè change the screen so that a máa lè confirm. Tẹ́ bá wo àwọn a lot of